In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot for free in VS Code. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process of setting up and utilizing GitHub Copilot chat to enhance your coding experience without any cost. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this innovative tool. To get started, you'll need to open the Copilot chat. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and I on your keyboard, or you can simply click on the Copilot icon within your VS Code interface. This will bring up the chat window where you can start interacting with the AI to get assistance with your coding tasks. Once you're in the chat, there's a multitude of things you can ask GitHub Copilot to help you with. For instance, if you're puzzled by a piece of code and need some clarity, you can type in "explain this code," and the AI will provide a contextual explanation to help you better understand it. You can also request it to fix this error if you encounter any issues while coding. Additionally, you can instruct it to create a login page in React, or ask it to write a Python API, and it will attempt to generate the necessary code for you. This functionality makes Copilot Chat a versatile tool for both debugging and generating code snippets, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. It's important to understand the current limitations of the GitHub Copilot free plan. As of 2026, while using this plan, you're provided with approximately 2,000 code completions per month. Additionally, you can make around 50 chat or agent requests each month. These limits are generally sufficient for casual coding and small projects, but it's essential to be mindful of your usage to avoid hitting these caps unexpectedly. If you do reach these limits, there are a couple of options available to you. You can either wait for the monthly reset, which will replenish your available code completions and chat requests, or you can choose to upgrade to the Pro plan for extended usage capabilities. Some users have occasionally reported experiencing quota reset bugs, where their limits do not reset properly at the start of the new month. These issues are typically resolved by either getting in touch with GitHub support or simply logging out and then logging back in. By utilizing GitHub Copilot for free in VS Code, you're taking advantage of a powerful tool that can significantly boost your efficiency and creativity in coding. It's a fantastic way for developers to leverage AI to handle routine tasks, troubleshoot problems, and learn more about programming concepts. I hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of how to set up and use GitHub Copilot effectively to enhance your coding projects. Thank you for watching and happy coding.